Sure, go ahead, get on. Told you.
I just got that one. Is Dad gonna come home today?
No. But he's gonna see this. I'll make sure of it. Oh! Oh, come on, you were doing great getting up. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Oh, man, you're really good at getting up. Now, if we could just keep you up. Oh. Yeah, it's a good thing you're, like, bounceable. You need to go up, honey.
I can't get up.
I got tears in my eyes. Alright, you ready for some more help?
Yes.
Oh. Yeah, I think we need some more help. But you're doing good, honey. No, where are you going?
I'm going down.
Okay. Hey, look. Look at me. Say bye for now, Daddy.
No, I just...
Well, yeah, but I gotta turn it off. I gotta help you. I cannot hold this thing and help you at the same time.
I'm gonna do it.
No.